Hello everyone. Welcome to Speak Smooth English. My name is Addie, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about my daily routine. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I start my day by brushing my teeth and washing my face. After that, I have a healthy breakfast with my family, usually eggs and a cup of coffee. At 8 a.m., I get dressed and go to school or work. I spend my morning focusing on my tasks and improving my skills. Around 2 p.m., I have lunch and take a short break to relax. In the afternoon, I continue studying or working on my goals. In the evening, I like to review what I learned during the day. Sometimes I exercise or spend time with my family and friends. At night, I have dinner and prepare for the next day. Before going to bed, I read a book or practice my English for a short time. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. to get enough rest. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Smooth English for more English learning videos.